Good morning, students. Now, next chapter is chapter 9, differential equations. In this chapter, we are going to learn about differential equations. So, in first exercise, exercise 9.1, we are going to learn about order of differential equations, degree of differential equation, and in exercise 9.2, we are going to learn which function is the solution of differential equation or not. So, according to order of differential equation, order of a differential equation is defined as the order of the highest order derivative of the dependent variable with respect to independent variable involved in the given differential equation. For example, consider differential equations dy by dx is equal to e to the power x. Second equation is d2y by dx square plus y is equal to 0. Third differential equation is dqy upon dx cube plus x d2y by dx square whole square is equal to 0. So equation 1, 2 and 3 involve the highest derivative of first, second and third order respectively. Therefore, the order of these equations are 1, 2 and 3. Means here see equation first dy by dx is equal to e to the power x. So here dy by dx is first order derivative. So its order will be 1. In second equation d2y by dx square is second order derivative, so its order will be 2. And in third equation d2 cube by dx cube is third order derivative, so its order will be 3. Clear? So means to find the order, we have to find highest order derivative. So highest order derivative represent the order of the differential equation. And in case of order, see here dy by dx can be written as y dash also and y1 also, and known as first order derivative. Means dy by dx or y dash or y1 are known as first order derivative. Similarly, d2y by dx square or y2 or y double dash is known as second order derivative. Similarly, d cube y upon dx cube or y triple dash or y3 is known as third order derivative. Clear? So in differential equation, higher order derivative represent the order of the differential equation. Now, degree of a differential equation. So in case of degree of differential equation, see the differential equations here, equation 1, equation 2 and equation 3. Clear? So we observe that equation 1 is a polynomial equation in y triple dash, y double dash and y dash. See here y triple dash means d cube y upon dx cube can be written as y triple dash. d2y by dx square can be written as y double dash. dy by dx can be written as y dash. Clear? And equation 2 is a polynomial equation in y dash means dy by dx. dy by dx is y dash. Clear? So degree of such differential equation can be defined, but equation 3 is not a polynomial equation in y dash. This equation is not a polynomial equation in y dash. So equation 3, in case of equation 3, degree is not defined. Clear? Now general and particular solutions of a differential equation. So in this condition, firstly see here, differential equation is d2y by dx square plus y is equal to 0. Consider the function given by y is equal to psi x, phi x is equal to a sin x plus b. Clear? Now where a and b belongs to the set of real number, when this function and its derivative are substituted in equation 1, we get LHS is equal to RHS. So it is the solution of differential equation, otherwise not. Clear? So to check the given function is solution of the given differential equation, you have to put the values of y dash, y double dash or y triple dash according to the equation. If LHS is equal to RHS, then given function will be solution of the differential equation, and if LHS is not equal to RHS, then given function will not be the solution of the given differential equation. Clear? So now see the examples related to this topic. Verify that the given function is a solution of corresponding differential equation. So first example, y is equal to e to the power x plus 1. You have to check whether y is equal to e to the power x plus 1 is the solution of the differential equation y double dash minus y dash is equal to 0 or not. Clear? So differential equation is here y double dash minus y dash is equal to 0, and function is y is equal to e to the power x plus 1. You have to check whether the given function is the solution of given differential equation or not. So according to the differential equation, here differential equation is y double dash minus y dash is equal to 0. Clear? So you have to find the value of y dash and y double dash with the help of given function. So given function is y is equal to e to the power x plus 1. So firstly you have to find y dash and then y double dash, then put the values of y dash and y double dash in the differential equation. If LHS is equal to RHS, then it will be the solution, otherwise not. Clear? So firstly find y dash. Dy by dx means y dash, which will be e to the power x. So we can write y dash is equal to e to the power x. Now again differentiating. So d2y by dx square is also equal to e to the power x. It means y double dash is also equal to e to the power x. Now put the value of y dash and y double dash in the given differential equation. So y dash minus y double dash minus y dash is equal to e to the power x minus e to the power x, which will be equal to 0. So is equal to RHS. So here LHS is equal to RHS. So the given function will be the solution of given differential equation. Clear? See next example. Example number 2. Here function is y is equal to cos x plus c. You have to check whether this function is the solution of given differential equation. So differential equation is y dash plus sin x is equal to 0. So you have to check whether the given function is the solution of given differential equation y dash plus sin x is equal to 0. So you have to find the value of y dash. You have to find y dash with the help of given function. So firstly find y dash. Y dash means dy dx of cos x plus c is equal to minus sin x. Now LHS of the equation is y dash plus sin x. Put the value of y dash which is equal to minus sin x. So minus sin x plus sin x is equal to 0. Clear? So LHS is equal to RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, y is equal to cos x plus c is the solution of given differential equation. Clear? Now, next example, y is equal to root 1 plus x square and differential equation is y dash is equal to xy upon 1 plus x square. So you have to find y dash with the help of given function. So y is equal to root 1 plus x square. Now find dy by dx, which will be equal to 2 and 2 cancel out. So dy by dx is equal to x upon root 1 plus x square, or we can say that y dash is equal to x upon root 1 plus x square. Now put the value of so now according to given differential equation is y dash is equal to xy upon 1 plus x square, and here y dash is equal to x upon root 1 plus x square. So multiply numerator and denominator by root 1 plus x square, then this will be equal to x into root 1 plus x square upon 1 plus x square. Clear? So put the value of root 1 plus x square. Root 1 plus x square is equal to y. So write here y. So y dash is equal to xy upon 1 plus x square. It means given function is the solution of given differential equation. Next example, y is equal to x sin x. X sine of sin x. Okay students, you have to remember to check whether the given function is the solution of the given differential equation. You have to find y dash, y double dash, y triple dash and put it in the given differential equation. If LHS is equal to RHS, then function will be solution, otherwise not solution. Or with the help of given function, if you find differential equation, then the given function will be the solution of the given differential equation. Clear? So you have to solve all questions of exercise 9.1 and 9.2 with example. Okay students, thank you.